Hey guys, welcome back to Diesel Thunder Aviation. My name's Jamie and welcome to the new year, and what a way to start it off. I have a couple of great videos for you to kick off 2026. The fun one will be the one that you're watching right now, where we took her out and did some engine runs and some crew training and had a really good day. And to go along with the training, I got a couple other videos that will be coming out in the next week or two, where we go through a pre-flight process and we learn how to pack the drag chute that's back in the tail cone of the airplane. So hang tight, guys. We're gonna have a good one today. Little side note on this also, this is the first time I have used all of my batteries in one day. This one is looking pretty low there on the little indicator, and yeah, I've never gone through all my batteries in one day, so we're gonna have some good content between this one and the next few videos. Enjoy.
I don't know if it's been like that. All right, let's get the pre-flight going here. The first section is just preparation. So wheel chocks installed, yes. We don't have a static wire hooked up right now. Out on the flight line we would. Fire bottles are available and around. Main and nose gear safety struts installed. Verified all three. Aux air door struts installed. You can see both of those hanging, we're good there. Forward and aft ejection seats. We can definitely confirm they're not there. Number 8 is void. Void is checked. Flight form and all required entries made on applicable forms. That's what we're working on right now. Open all doors, which is going to be 15, 16, 23, 26L, 28L and R, and 76L and R. So we'll start getting on those. And then we're going to move into the airframe portion of the inspection.
Thanks.
All right, so let's get doors open and shit. Sweet.
What's up?
Exciting day.
All right, riding brakes. We're about to go take her out and light her up. Let's do it.
Now, so we're all on the same page as far as this goes. Now, who do we have? Where's Justin and
where's the fire bottle?
Okay, they're getting fire bottles and stuff. So, Huffer, you fine? You're with him. Learn how to use the Huffer.
Yes, sir.
So I'm looking at you for this. You're going to be.
You're watching me.
You're watching me.
He's watching me.
I'm watching him.
Yep.
I'm looking at you. Okay.
Yep. You and I communicate. I communicate with him.
Because you can verbally and say.
Got it.
Yep. Okay. So you're on the Huffer. You're with him training. I'm going to have Justin and Chris Cross underneath because they've kind of done that before. You're going to be doing your thing, floating and filming.
Yep.
And,
Cecil B. DeMille.
So once those guys get out here, we'll kind of go.
You got your handheld.
Make sure we're all on the same page there.
You brought your handheld out here?
Yes.
Good, man.
We need to make sure Justin has his.
Thanks for
I want somebody close that I can talk to when we're doing the radio checks in between. I don't want somebody down the ramp.
Oh, of course.
Too. Lots of cameras running. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut.
No pressure.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
No pressure, Jared. No pressure at all.
Yeah.
Not like back in
I'm
my
sure
days,
he'll be
like,
named in the comments.
But see that?
You can dub in audio, right?
Of course.
Wow, Jared, that was impressive.
Yeah.
Way to go.
We've never had anyone do that before.
I've never saw an F4 do that before.
You did what?
How did he rotate with the wings folded and then the chocks?
It'll do it. I've seen video
I saw it on the
Very
YouTube.
carefully.
I've seen it.
on the interwebs.
All right, we're in.
We're coming. I'm gonna go ahead and.
Oh, and apologies in advance, guys. All the comm cord ports were occupied, so I was not able to put an audio recorder on anything. So I didn't capture any of the crew comms today. We used today as a really good training day for everybody. So no comm cords available, so I couldn't capture the audio. Sorry.
Paddle.
successful.
What'd you think?
That was pretty awesome. My first time ever firing up a Phantom, and did all the checks, all the functional checks. Everything looks good, sounds good, and I don't know. I learned a lot. It was really awesome.
Hey.
A lot of fun.
And you had a lot of fun doing it. I saw that
Absolutely.
smile on your face.
It's hard not to have fun in this thing, man. It's pretty
Hey,
cool.
Phantom equals fun with a PH.
That's right. More Phantom.
Hey, you're
fun.
gonna get ingrained in the culture, buddy.
That's right. I'm happy with it. I'm happy to do that.
Oh,
Here's how it goes. With a PH. Phantom Pictures, Phantom Phliers, fantastic, fabulous Phantoms forever.
There we go.
that's it.
Fun.
Fun. Awesome.
All right, I'll hop out so y'all can do some radio stuff, and then we're gonna do this again. We're gonna fire it back up. But, I think
And
this.
I'll put a better battery in that one. That's what happened. It
Yeah.
ended.
Yeah, and you know what? Maybe we can put one over the shoulder so you can see all the stuff I'm looking at.
I would love to. Actually, you know what? I have a clamp mount.
Yeah,
We
just
can put
put it
it
right
here
there.
facing that way.
Yeah, and I got this one facing. I got an ugly view on this one. It's facing my mug, but
Oh, hey, and remember, everyone loved your leg.
yeah, that's right.
And the F100.
That's right. All right, I'll get out so y'all can do this.
Awesome.
All right, generators are in the off position. Masters are in the off position.
Off, throttles are in, over the lift, cut off.
Yep.
Okay.
Everything's off. All right.
All right, guys, that was a fantastic day. We're headed back to the hangar. We got a couple of good runs out of that. Jared got some good training. So did some of the crew. That was a pretty good day. Now we're heading back to the hangar. All good. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.